Hello, DIY enthusiasts and interior design lovers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a project that can transform your space with style wallpaper installation. If you've ever wondered how to install wallpaper like a pro, you're in for a treat. Let's get started. Step 1. Gather your materials. You'll need wallpaper rolls, wallpaper adhesive or paste, a smoothing brush or roller, a utility knife, a straight edge or level, a measuring tape, a pencil, a wallpaper brush, a wallpaper tray, and a sponge. Step 2. Prepare your wall. Start by preparing your wall. Ensure it's clean, smooth, and free from any imperfections. If needed, patch up any holes or cracks and sand them smooth. Step 3. Measure and cut the wallpaper. Measure the height of your wall, adding a few inches at the top and bottom for trimming. Then, unroll the wallpaper and cut it to the measured length. This ensures a perfect fit and reduces waste. Step 4. Apply adhesive and book the wallpaper. Apply wallpaper adhesive or paste to the back of the wallpaper following the manufacturer's instructions. Once the adhesive is applied, fold the wallpaper in on itself, a technique known as booking, and let it sit for the recommended soaking time. This allows the paper to expand evenly. Step 5. Hang the wallpaper. Now it's time to hang the wallpaper. Start at a corner or along a straight edge. Carefully align the top of the wallpaper with the ceiling or a reference line you've marked. Smooth it onto the wall, working from the top to the bottom to avoid trapping air bubbles. Step 6. Smooth, trim, and final touches. Then, use a utility knife and a straight edge or level to trim the excess wallpaper along the ceiling, baseboard, and corners. Finally, go over the entire surface with the smoothing tool to ensure a secure bond. And there you have it, you've successfully installed wallpaper like a pro. It's a satisfying DIY project that can dramatically enhance your space's look and feel. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more DIY tips, and hit that notification bell to stay updated. Thanks for joining us.